This is how to set a J-box. So we have our elevations here. This is the pantry. We already got an outlet for the mini fridge right here, and we got one countertop outlet already in position. So we're gonna add another one. We got our mark set right where we want it. There's two little tabs on every J-box. So you want this setting a ½ inch past the studs so that the drywall comes in flush with that. So now that once we get it set to our height that we want, I always hook a finger right in here like this to keep it out of the way from the hammer, and then you just tap them in. Re-level once you get that first one. That's how you set a box. Then we're going to run a little bit of wire, and it'll be good to go. There's these little knockouts. I just use a nail and the hammer to knock it out. Boom. So that's right where our wire is going to come through. So we grab our wire, stick it through there. A little extra space for service. Bend it in there. And then we take our cable. We got to run to this other one to grab the power. Cut it with a little extra. Then we'll run it through the hole we made from that box. And this one needs to get knocked out too. Oh, come on. Where's that hammer? So now we got our two wires, and you'd probably think, okay, now you're good to go, but you're not. Code, NEC code, National Electric Code, states that every wire before it goes into a box has to have a staple at least 12 inches from this box. So we got to throw a staple right here. A staple within 12 inches on this side. Where'd that other staple go? Oh, there it is. So we're actually going to stick it right on this. And now that is up to code. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you run an outlet